Hi everybody out there, this is Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage. It is January 28th, 2025, and this will be the Anglia Street Rod build, part 50, segment 1. And what Lou is doing is fabricating, I guess you could call it a firewall, trunk separation from the inside of the car in the trunk. And this is the cardboard template that he's got made, and he's in the process of making the forward center angular bracket that will be riveted to the sheet metal. Now, you haven't cut the sheet metal yet, right?
Huh?
You haven't cut the metal.
No, it's
okay,
right here.
Yeah, okay, there's the sheet metal. So after a while, he will take the template out and we will be cutting the sheet metal still. So I'm going to pause at this point and I'll be back in a little bit. Hang on. Hi, back. Pause was a little bit longer. We were watching the White House press secretary first time. She did a good job as far as we're concerned, but that's enough politics. There's a view from the back. And Lou's about to take that out and start transferring it to the metal. Right?
Right.
Okay. It's a funny looking blanket.
Yeah, it comes right out, so. Yeah, that's what our template looks like.
Good old Amazon boxes, huh?
Huh?
Good old Amazon box.
Oh yeah, they come in handy for making templates.
So how are you gonna cut it? With what?
That'd be bandsaw or
just
saber
go-
saw, yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna pause again and be back after a while.
Okay. Pull that of the seat out. You know that? I think I'm gonna pull that of the seat out. Give some more room to work in.
Okay. Sheet metal's been cut, bent, formed, fitted, so to speak. However, we had too much trouble trying to make this piece and that opening out of this piece, so we instead cut it off and we'll fabricate a separate piece here. But that's pretty much the way it's going to fit, which looks pretty good. So I think at that point I'm going to...
Welcome to the screw-ups.
Well, it's not a screw-up, it's intentional, right?
Yeah, that's right.
That's the way we designed it. Anyway. Anyway, where am I? Okay, so I think I'm going to end this segment 1 here. And we'll be back later with segment 2, which will probably be when this piece is made. And oh, by the way, the floor material is what gauge, Lou?
This is 16, that's
16.
14.
That's 14, a lot stiffer and heavier. And then the firewall is 12, right?
Right. Firewall.
Yeah, the front firewall. This is 12 gauge, 16 gauge, 14 gauge. Okay, with that, I'll bid you all adieu. Take care, everybody out there. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye. Hey,
Mountain, that's short.
Tool Guy's Garage. This is Anglia Street Rod build. Bob and Lou. This is January 31st. And this would be part 50, segment 2. Little road test. Sounds good though. What the hell's that?
That's me.
Oh. So you got the back finished?
Yeah.
Except for the fiberglass?
Back's all done.
Alright, let's take a shot here. Well, looks good. Looks good. Alright. Okay, gonna end this right here. Okay, here we are, the two of them together out on the street. So, I forgot to mention, you started the process for the
For the paperwork.
paperwork to get it registered legally.
Yeah. Get
Okay.
that started.
Oh, that's good, that's good. Let me walk around, get some more here. Two small cars, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the end of this. Catch y'all later.